Hello guys, can you hear me? Okay, so let me start. So I'm Satish Tiwari from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. So today in this tutorial we are going to discuss or we are going to talk about some training modules related to cybersecurity, networking, and Linux system admin. Okay, so there are few system admin training like Linux. You can go for Linux, RSCSA, and RSCA training module. So if you are interested in Linux, you can go for Linux training administration, okay, or so Linux administration training, and it will be about you can learn this complete Linux within 30 to 35 days, including the server, okay. Now, if you want to go in the networking field and you want your career to start in the network engineer, so you can start your career as a network engineer and you can learn the complete CCNA training, CCNA training in which we are going to learn about CCNA, mainly a specialization in routing and switching, different types of routing switching like DHCP server, DNS server, FTP server, TFTP server, no mail server, telnet server, SSH server, syslog server, NTP server, all those routing configuration like RIP, EIGRP, static, default routing, OSPF configuration on the routers, okay, switches configuration, VLAN, BTP, all these things. If you want to learn all these things, you are going to learn all these things in CCNA. This will be 35 to 45 days training module, completely lab-based training module, except 5 classes which will be theoretical, and that will be IP address and subnetting class, which is necessary. That 5 theory classes are necessary. That's why I have included that 5 theory classes inside that. Now, apart from these training modules like Linux system admin and networking, you can go for cyber security training module and ethical hacking training module. We have 3 modules for each: cyber security and ethical hacking. If you are already working as a corporate employees in some IT field and you want that cyber security training, you can enhance your skill you can enhance your complete skill in cyber security within 25 days. Just give me 25 days and you will be ready for cyber security job. You can easily change your job from other field like Linux system admin or network admin to cyber security. Now, if you are completely new to this technology, you are completely new to this field, IT field, and you are from non-IT background, you need to have at least a 6-month training program, like 60 to 65 days training module, and that will include the basics of Windows, Android, plus Linux, plus server, and cyber security. Okay, so basic of Windows plus basics of Linux plus uh, servers plus cyber security. So within 65 days you will be ready for cyber security training and you will be ready for cyber security job even you are new to this field. Now, if you are a complete 10th or 12th student, if you are already now in the 8th or 9th student, you are a BTech fresher and you don't have any idea about these things and you want to dedicate your career inside this field completely, then you can go for 6-month training program. And in that 6-month training program, you will learn complete networking, complete Linux, complete server, complete storage management, and then complete cyber security plus ethical hacking. Okay, so these are the benefits of joining these training modules. We have different modules for cybersecurity, like different certification modules also, like OSCP. If you want to go for OSCP, I will go with OSCP. You want to go for computer security plus, I will go with computer security plus. If you want to go for CH, I will go for CH. If you want some specification, you can tell me and we will go with your training module. Okay, and if you want to do a specialization in network security, you can go for CCNA security. If you want to do a specialization in networking, then you can go for CCNP. Okay, if you want to do a specialization in Linux, you can go for Linux security essential training program, which we have, in which we will learn about the Linux security, system security, and the server security module. And still, if you have any doubt about the course regarding, you can ask me through the comment section. And the training batches are already running. For new batches, you can register yourself by visiting www.linuxtiwari.com. I will give the link of this website inside the description. You can check there, or you can call me at my number, or you can WhatsApp me at my number. I will share my number in the comment section. Okay, so guys, be ready if you want to start your career as a cybersecurity expert. That is not a very tough one. People say that it is very difficult or no one you can go. No, no, no. It's not a very difficult. It's actually a some conceptual. If you understand the concept, you understand the base. Things are very easy. You can watch my all the videos like programming videos, cybersecurity video, Linux video, networking videos, and you will find that these things are not so much typical. Okay. So see you guys, and thank you for giving your time and watching me. And you must share this video with your friends who are interested in technology, who love the technology, and who want to come to the technology, who want to participate in the technology field. Share this video with them, and goodbye. Thank you.